The other thing is the big picture here of what he accomplished is just incredible. We saw the stat up there of what the British government eventually paid, and the 65 ships is just incredible statistics. But I wonder where that really fits in our overall understanding of the war, because I would argue, and I'm sure you know as producing this is something people have heard about, but I'm not sure they comprehend the scale of what it all meant. What if you could help us put it in context of what it meant to the whole war effort?
Well, I think this Stephen Fox said it really didn't have any existential effect or something, I think he said, on the war. And it's true that it really didn't have a huge, I mean, I think what he did, and I think he mentions in the film that when he had his greatest success, the South was kind of on a roll. So I think it gave people in the South the hope that they were going to win the war. But the problem is that the land battles went the other direction as it went, just because that sounded, you know. So I think ultimately he had a lot of effect on American merchant fleet, which did not recover from the damage that he did until the 1920s, I've been told. Because so many ships were sold off, the American merchant fleet was really crippled, really was, for quite some time. That was the ultimate effect of it. So, I mean, I don't know if that's what he intended to do, but I guess it was. But yeah, because they had to sell off the ships, so many of them were sold to other countries and so forth, and that didn't change after the war. They still were owned by those other countries. So the merchant fleet was really decimated.